Okay, hey YouTubers, today I'll be doing a video of shooting that Bud Light can airplane with this 1928 Chicago typewriter Thompson, full metal body except the orange tip and the wood crap, that's plastic, 465 FPS, metal drum magazine, 450 rounds. So yeah. Basically, I got new BBs just right now. They're the Devil Blaster Devil. It says Aftermath Airsoft, so I think it's the same company that made the Aftermath guns. Give me a second. I'm just gonna do something really quick. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna pour them in. Again, they're 0.25s. I love 0.25s. So we'll see how they work on this gun. Shit, I wasted some. Now these are diamond grade and that's pretty darn fucking good. So yeah. You have to do this to wind it up. I'm just gonna set the camera down and then I'll just show you. Okay, so I got all the old BBs out. Okay, so yeah, lock and load, let's go. Oh shit. Don't worry, it does that sometimes. Okay, so we're ready. And I'll be shooting it at approximately 30 feet away. I'm guessing it's about 30 feet away. So, yeah. See how it is. Looks. Now full auto. So yeah, that's just basically one windup. And as you can see, that's a lot. That's about half the magazine. We'll take a look at the damages. Holy shit. The propellers got shot off. And basically the tin just tore off basically. And yeah. Just to let you know, I do not drink beer. I just found this on the street. And I decided just to make a crappy or awesome video. So yeah. This shotgun is pretty accurate. And I love these BBs now. And I think that will be my primary BBs. I'm using the Devil BBs. And yeah. Now a quick look of all the damages. Propellers got shot off. So yeah, this is a pretty damn strong gun. And it's only half a magazine. So yeah, this is Epic FBS Airsoft, and see you later. Bye.